Get ready to be amazed. iPhone 17 series dummy units shine in new hands-on video. Exciting news for all tech enthusiasts. A fresh hands-on video has just dropped, showcasing the highly anticipated dummy units of the iPhone 17 series, including the stunning iPhone 17 Air. If you've been curious about how these devices stack up against each other, you're in for a treat. So, grab your favorite snack, sit back, and hit play on the video below to see these sleek designs in action. In this video, we get a closer look at the light-colored dummy units that have been making waves in previous leaks. But let's be honest, seeing them in motion is a whole different experience. The real star of the show? The jaw-droppingly thin iPhone 17 Air, rumored to measure just 5.65 millimeters thick. That's right, it's barely thicker than its USB-C port. Talk about sleek. For those who might not know, the iPhone 17 Air is set to take the place of the iPhone 16 Plus, which has struggled to find its footing in the market over the past few years. Will this ultra-thin design help the Air soar in popularity? Only time will tell, but you can bet Apple will be shouting from the rooftops about its revolutionary and innovative thinness in their marketing campaigns. But wait, there's more. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are also on the horizon, and they're bringing a fresh design for their camera islands that seems to draw inspiration from some familiar Poco devices. While there have been whispers about features like an aluminum frame, a unibody metal design, and a MagSafe cutout for reverse wireless charging, these dummies don't seem to reflect those specs. Of course, it's possible that these dummy units aren't entirely accurate, so we'll have to keep our eyes peeled for more updates. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the video and feast your eyes on the future of iPhones.